Hello again, first graders. We're ready for another skills lesson today. I'm super excited. Woohoo! We're going to go over Unit 2, Lesson 8. Learning targets for today. I can chain words with magic E. I can read and write words with the O spelling. Okay, we're going to go over a little bit of our magic E just on the drawing board like we did for some of the other lessons. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and write some words, and you're going to practice how they change using the magic E. The first word, dim. Say dim. Good. When we add our magic E to the end of dim, it makes our vowel say its name. So let's go over here, boop, to the I, which is our vowel. A, E, I, O, U are our vowels. It makes the vowel say its name. What is the name of this highlighted letter? I. Good. So it makes the I sound. Dim turns to dime. Say dime. Good. Let's practice another one. Fin. Say fin. Oops. Good. We add our magic E to the end of fin. It makes our vowel say its name. I is our vowel. What is the name of this letter? That's right, I. So it makes the I sound. So fin turns to fine. Say fine. Good. Next one, kit. Say kit. Good. We add our magic E, which makes the vowel say its name. Right over here, our vowel is I. So the name of that vowel is I, and that's what sound it makes. So kit turns to kite. We're going to do one more. Pin. Oops, let's make that black so that we're all the same. Pin. We add our magic E. Why don't you go ahead and say it out loud? What word does it turn to? Our magic E makes the vowel say its name. The name of this letter or the name of this vowel is I, so it makes the I sound. Pin turns to pine. Very good. Now repeat after me. Dim, dime. Fin, fine. Kit, kite. Pin, pine. Very good. Give yourself a round of applause for doing great skills work today. Woohoo! Okay, we're going to go back to our slides. So today's sound is O, as in note. Let's repeat this sound several times. Let's do it 6 times. Ready? O, 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 O. Did you see the shape of my mouth? It's almost like I'm saying O and it's making an O shape. Make sure you do that when you say the sound. Repeat the following words that have the O sound in the beginning. Say them after me. Ready? Or, open, old, oval. Repeat the following words that have the O sound in the middle. Rope, boat, phone, coat, hope. Repeat the following words that have the O sound in the end. Snow, toe, grow, blow, no. See my mouth going O as I say the sound? Is O a vowel sound or a consonant sound? What are our vowels again? A, E, I, O, U. So O and E are vowels, which means they are vowel sounds. Good. I'm going to say a number of words. Some of the words will have the O sound as their middle sound and some will not. Raise your hand when you hear the O sound. Ready? Home. Rope. Hope. Good, we heard our O words. So now we're going to take a look at worksheet 8.1. If you have this at home, oh, you know what? We already did this part. We can go right to the story. Beautiful. Oops, it looks like there is no story today. We're going to go through some of these words that have the O sound in them. So why don't you get a whiteboard or a piece of paper ready to go? And I want you to number your paper or your board number 1. Feel free to pause the video right now if you don't have the materials ready and press play whenever you're ready. You're going to write choke for number 1. Number 2, joke. Number 3, moon. Number 4, shout. Number 5, goat. We'll do one more. Oops. We'll stop at 5. That'll be great. Okay, you are going to, if you have a highlighter or a crayon, you can color these in. Or if you're just using a pencil or a whiteboard, you can just circle the correct answer. We need to find the words with the O sound in them. Again, say O. Okay, choke. Do you hear O in the word choke? Yes or no? Yes, we do, because our O right here and our E at the end make the sound O. So I'm going to highlight this one right here. Oops, I don't think I can highlight. So I'm going to make this blue if we hear the O sound. Very good. Next word. Oh, I think I can take my finger and paint with it. That would be really cool. See if I can highlight choke with a paintbrush. Here it is. Choke has the O sound. Beautiful. Number 2, what about joke? Do you hear O in joke? J-O-K, joke. I hear it. Number 3, what does that say? Moon, moon. Do you hear O in moon? No, I hear ooh, so we're not circling that one. Number 4, shout. Do you hear this O sound in shout? I hear ow, not O, so we're not circling that one. Number 5, goat. Goat. Do you hear O in goat? I do. G-O-T. Great. So we're going to circle that one up and we'll be good to go. Excellent. Feel free to pause the video, go back, go ahead and answer the Google form questions for this lesson today. And we are all set. Thank you, first graders. See you tomorrow.